First thing we're gonna do today is making a calculator. Okay, so now our calculator is gonna be able to do a few things, which are add, subtract, multiply, divide, and power. Actually, no, instead of power, we'll do square and cube. Okay, now in this video, I want to add a new function. It's called the def function. It's a very useful function and it's used in many complex algorithm. I mean programs. So what the def function is used for is to define a custom function that you make, and inside of the def you can write whatever you want. Like let's go def yay is we're defining what yay is, and yay is a completely custom uh, name that I gave, and it's gonna be completely custom. I'm gonna make it do print yay. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure if we go anywhere later in the program and write print with our definition yay, then we should get yay. No, sorry, yay. So yes, yay. Amazing. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna define addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, or cube. So without any further racing, let's straight away define addition. So we're gonna define add, and here we're gonna need two variables, a comma b. A is number one, b is number two. So yeah, that's a good. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna do add equal a plus b, print add. Okay, and yeah, that's all we need for our add definition. Now I'm gonna copy this piece of code, I'm gonna paste it again, and we're gonna do the same thing for subtraction, but instead it'll be minus, and not to confuse things, we'll name this variable as sub, and here we'll have to print sub. Great, now we'll do that yet another time. This will be multiplication, 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 and yes, in the computer the multiplication symbol is a star. If you didn't know already, I'm gonna name this mul instead of making it a long line of code. And the final one, division. Actually, no, not the final one. And also, yes, it's slash for division in the computer, even in computer calculators. That's how it works. Now, when we're gonna write it for square, there's a problem with our function here. Square doesn't take one input, it doesn't take two inputs, it only takes one input, and it multiplies that one input into itself. So if I enter, let's say I enter 4. So what it's gonna do, and if I enter B as 7, then what is it gonna do with that second number? We only wanted to calculate the first number. So there's no point in giving the second number. So we can just delete that out of our face. So we only need one variable, right? And that is, so I'll write square equals to a into a. Print oopsie doopsie doo square. Now, oh wait, no, I named this square. Okay, so that's good. I'm just gonna copy that, put it over here. I'm gonna be cube, cube, and it'll be a into a into a. That's cube. Now, we'll just negate these functions. I said negate. But yeah, we'll just remove this thing. We don't need it here. We know what's in every function. Yeah. So that's it. We know what's in add. It's a plus b and print a. It's not that much of code, so we can just manage it. I mean, yeah, basically. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna need to import those custom definitions that we made. So we're gonna ask the user for input. This is prompt, and we're gonna ask the user for input. Enter what you want to do, and then I expect them to give and sub mul div square or cube. That's what I expect. Now we're gonna write a bunch of if statements. So I'm gonna write if operation equals add, then we're just gonna do add. But no, we have to ask for A and B. Since we can't ask for A and B in the starting, I'll give that problem in cubes. Yeah. So we have to do A and B. So we'll do A equal input int input 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 enter number 1. B equal int input enter number 1. Yeah. Enter number 2. We'll just do so. This is good in terminal. We'll go with that. I love how we use color codes the brackets so they're easier to understand. So now we're just gonna import add function. That's all we need. Let's try running it. Um, let's run it. I wanna add. Enter number 1, 1, 2, 3, number 2, 3, 1. It's not giving me the answer. Print add. There's no error over here. I'll try doing it outside. Print add line 2. Why does it always say line 2 when it's over here? In B equal. Bro, there's no indent there. Like, it gives errors. It just says some random line of code. It's not giving. Oh. Okay, I'm pretty sure what mistake we made. I think you have to write add a comma, cause it's yeah. I don't think it understands that we have made A and B for it over here. So you have to write this. It doesn't understand that those variables are meant for him. So yes, we have to mention the variables there. So we'll just copy that. We'll make that compact. We'll sub, right? Yeah. And we have to change this to sub. It's actually that easy. Let's check if it's working. Any errors? 1, 2, 3 minus 3, 2, 1. That should be some negative number. I'm pretty sure it's correct. I'm not gonna go to check which is correct. So, Control V. We're gonna do mul, and we're gonna do mul. It's actually copy pasting is actually one of the my lifelines. I depend on it. Operations. Just to make the code more operations. Just to make the code more under. Okay, sorry. Yeah, just to make the code more understandable. Uh, division. So yeah, okay. Now we just have to tinker with the statement a bit in square. So if it's SQ, that's what I mentioned. Yeah, SQ. Then there's not supposed to be any B, and I think in square we can directly import the number instead of putting the number in brackets like we have done here, like these two variables over here. Okay, and um so we I think we can just write SQ over here, and it should work. So go SQ, enter number 1. I'll go 12. Mm, SQA. That's all. I'm pretty sure I know the mistake I did. I know the mistake I did. You can just go like that. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. 12. Okay, no, you cannot. I thought you could. Okay, so this is our completed, our tinkering completed. So we can just change this to cube and this to cube. Now I'm pretty sure that's our fully functional calculator. Now let's check all the operations. Okay, there's another thing we should do. You should make it into a loop. So unless the user wants to exit, the code won't exit. So I'm pretty sure we should um yeah, and this is the code we made last video. No, this is not the code we made last video. But yes, it's very similar to the code we made last video. You should check that out. It's very nice of a video. Okay, it's also beginner friendly. It's for beginners. It's basically one level above this. Okay, so now we should make this all into a while loop. Wait, did it? No, please tell me. Oh, I didn't. Okay, whatever. I'll do the formatting later. Okay, so I'm gonna put a while loop. So while exit equals to while exit equal to not equal to exit's gonna be a variable we're making two. Yes, yes. You kids will not escape. I put that. I'm gonna unzoom these guys. Uncompact. Expand. That's the word. Expand. So I'm gonna just move them here. We don't need to put the definitions into the while loop since they're a one-time thing. Yeah, we don't have to put the since once you define a definition, it's always gonna be there until you remove it from the code or you do something to delete it. I'm pretty sure there's a command to delete it. So now we're gonna start the thing, and we're gonna do addition of caution. Enter. Oh, we didn't put exit. Oh no, it's gonna trap us. In a loop then. That's not gonna be good. Exit. Oh wait, no, we can't put it outside the loop. That'll still trap us. Exit equals to input. Input. Do you want to exit? Lol, I said exit. Okay, so I I think that's good, but there's gonna be a problem when Python reads the code. So basically, Python reads code from up to down. Okay? Python reads code from up to down. And then when it goes into this while loop, it's like while exit equal is not equal to yes. Wait a minute, I didn't see exit anywhere. What's exit? And it's gonna give us an error after I complete the loop. Yeah, it's gonna go in a complete loop. That's the error right there. So we don't want that. We don't want it to trap us. So before the while loop, we need to put exit equal double quotation marks. I wanna add. I wanna 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 246. Do you wanna exit? I can. Okay. And then if I go Yes. Then it's exited. Ah, another cool thing we can do is else. Not cool, but yeah. Else, else, print. Okay, no, else goes down. Golly, bro, can you cooperate? Print error. Let's go fancy. Invalid syntax. Is that a correct spelling of syntax? Can you guys tell me in the comment? I actually don't know whether that's correct or not. No, I'll just, yeah. Yes, I do. Okay. Okay, no, we don't need this. So basically, this is our code over here, right here, for this. I'll share this in the description. But until that, thank you guys. Please subscribe and like. I'm a very small channel. Thank you in advance. Bye, guys.